Now we have Parag. Please, Parag.
Thank you, Raphael. Hi, everyone. My name is Parag. I'm along with Sobir, part of Zero2AI. Uh, and, today we wanted to, share a brief update on our progress. So let me share my screen. Okay, let me know when you can see. Okay, great. So first thing is that our project is the, composable AI from AppStorm. So basically, the idea is AppStorm is a platform that enables non-technical users to create Gen AI apps. With very simple. All it is that a user specifies the intent of an application by simply providing a simple text, and in matter of seconds, the app gets generated, deployed, and be ready to use. So idea with this proposal is to kind of leverage some of the services that exist on the uh, uh, SNet, as kind of a building blocks to, build the bigger apps. So, let me just quickly show you first the AppStorm platform, and then we can, I'll play a little, brief video that shows the, kind of prototype as part of milestone 1 that we have built. So here is the, the AppStorm platform, which can be used on a smartphone or a desktop. All one does is that, types in a little text, to create an app. So let's say I don't have an, idea of what I want. So I want, the platform to generate some ideas for an app for me.
Okay, Parag.
Yeah. So, as you can see, some of those app ideas that came about, if you want something, you just simply click on it, submit, and, it'll produce an app for you. So let's take a look at one of the apps that, for a sample, right? An app that creates a jewelry design based on a user-provided gemstone property. So here is an app that was put together in less than 30 seconds. It gives you, some basic inputs that you can play with it. Gives you, produces a description of that jewelry and produces an image that goes like that. So this is just a sample. So if you wanted to kind of change that around, let me try Ruby and what that would look like. In few seconds, you should have a jewelry design created using some of the tools which may be from OpenAI tools, could be open source tools, and so on and so forth. So let's give it a minute to
Sure.
complete this. And so there we go. Here is kind of a specification was that I want Ruby red translucent, and here is the result. So now let me play a little video that kind of demonstrates the kind of a milestone, which uses the existing services that exist on SingularityNet called de-oldify photos, right? That takes old pictures and creates a new picture out of it. So let me play this video, and I'll kind of talk through this. So here is kind of an AI shell, that we have put together that will demonstrate, leveraging the SNet services that exist on marketplace called de-oldify, and then how one can create. So here we are like, typing that GPT that makes old pictures into new. So as you can see, it's still CLI version, but as you can see, kind of a tools of SNet de-oldify services has come into the kind of range of tools that we would use to build this app. And then next thing should be is that now the app has been already been produced, and now we'll go ahead and kind of use that app and quickly demonstrate that an app, the app that was just created by simple text, leveraging SNet services that exist, kind of produces the result and makes it accessible now to a much broader user. So here is a image of a kind of a black and white old picture of a rose. Let's see that happening. So here is the app that was put together, completely automatically from just simply typing that, text prompt. Sometime adding please to these LLMs, produces a decent results. So So here you can see the kind of a result of a new photo created from that. This is actually calling the SNet services, that kind of exists. So our kind of next steps into this is to, this was a single service, kind of, broaden these aspects to, many of the services that available on SNet, automate this overall process and integrate, completely that you can use it from the app storm itself. Type in any, text prompt, identify, let LLM do its magic to figure out that what services exist on what ecosystems that can be leveraged to build a overall Gen AI app that anyone can use from, anywhere in the world.
Nice,
So
nice.
that's pretty much what I wanted to kind of, it has been, submitted and we are waiting approval on this milestone.
I have some questions around it, but we have
Absolutely.
we have to keep going with the others. Perhaps